how to run multiple Roblox accounts at once mobile on iOS. So if you want to run multiple Roblox accounts, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your Roblox application and you will have one account there, right? But if you want to use another account, then you need to open up your app store, and here you need to search for parallel space, or you can also go with dual app. So just simply tap on dual app or parallel app or dual space. You just need simply tap on get, and you need to install the application so that you will have dual app of Roblox and you will be able to use two accounts on your device. So I'll just simply go with another application, which is parallel space, and now you need to go with continue, which is on the bottom. And if it asks you for a free trial, you just need to simply go back and just tap on the cross, and now you need to tap on add apps, which is on the bottom, and select your Roblox. Like for example, if I go with Snapchat and go with continue, and I'll give it a name as Snapchat 2 and then tap on add. Now you can go back and use the Snapchat application. In the same way, you need to go with add app and then add your Roblox. And by having dual app, you'll be able to run multiple Roblox accounts at once. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.